Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can join a server on your Discord account from your mobile phone. So for that just click on this plus sign here. So just click on plus sign, then you can get two options here. First one is create a server and second one is join a server. So for that just click on the second option, join a server here. Then you can see enter an invite below to join an existing server. So if any of your friend has existing server, you just have to select here invite link and just paste your invite link here and then click on server here. So right now I just click on server. So you can see I just click a server name here, just click on active invite. So you can see it is very simple process. You can do it on your Android mobile and your iOS mobile phone. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you again in next video.